As you should be aware, we have a version of BetAngel for Betdaq, and a lot of people have said to me, well, one of the reasons that I can't use Betdaq is because of lack of liquidity. But in fact, it's one of those half full, half empty situations, because lack of liquidity actually presents an opportunity to you. You can see here I've done a trade already for £5. This is a video I recorded a little while ago, and what I'm doing here is filling gaps. You can see I've clicked here on the back and lay side, and the order has appeared on both, and you can see that I'm right at the front of the queue on both of these particular orders. So as soon as both of these fill, which they will do inevitably because I'm at the front of the queue, there's £10. And the next trade is a little bit slower. You can see I've clicked here at 4.7 to back, 4.6 to lay. You can see here I'm right at the front of the queue again, taking a little bit of time to eat through at 4.6. That's eaten through. And we've just got to wait for 4.7 to eat through. But you can see what I'm doing here. You can see that the market is quite gappy, and this strategy is quite curious, because this is a strategy that I used to adopt on Betfair many years ago. And the concept of this strategy is really, really simple, and that is that if there's a gap between the back and the low prices, you fill it. As long as you get filled on both sides, obviously you're going to walk away with a profit. And the benefit of this strategy is that you're going to be right at the front of the queue on pretty much every occasion. And you can see it's a pretty simple strategy to employ. You can see here gaps at 4.6. If we didn't have £50 at 4.7, there'd only be about 20 odd pound there. We've just been filled again. Very, very simple. Doesn't take a genius to work this one out. And obviously, one of the benefits you've got is that you can actually you can use BetAngel for Betdaq and BetAngel for Betfair simultaneously. So if you're active on one market and not on another, it's not a problem. But very simple strategy, very easy to do, and not really too difficult to employ that particular strategy. So lack of liquidity shouldn't really be an issue for you if you want to trade or attempt to trade on Betdaq. If you'd like to download this version of BetAngel and have a go for free, then please do so. You can download it from betdaq.betangel.com.